thing, and we got a little bit of an issue with payroll here at work. So I've got to go figure out like a maze who got paid what and what they should have got paid, when they got paid, how they got paid, what they're owed, blah, 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 blah. So we got to deal with that here. So we're going to get a look at a quick update here this morning, and you can see the price of Bitcoin hasn't really changed from last night, that what we were looking at. We're in this little falling channel now, outside of a bigger falling channel, that it still appears that we got to come down to that 19,893 underneath support of the old all-time high, and that's what we're watching. And if you can't hold that, then you got to try to hold this in yellow falling channel. As you know, we had a rising channel that broke down like they should, a much bigger bear flag up here that broke down like it should, right? And now we're into this smaller falling channel, which usually they break to the upside. And this one did break to the upside and actually met its technical target, because its technical target is the top of the channel. And it actually did meet that here by the 200. And just like XLM, XRP, ADA, Ethereum, they've all got rejected by the 200-day moving average. And now if you can't hold this 19,000, you would back test this in yellow, and that would be a critical. If you just flush through it, that means you're going to come all the way back down to the double bottom finally down here, right? So that's what we're watching out for in the Bitcoin price. Don't buy Luna. It's a scam. Told y'all not to buy that. Cardano, you can see it did indeed come down from in an up and down fashion. It did come down to lower support down here, right? In purple, it's underneath symmetrical triangle, lower support. See that? It's coming down to touch it. Now, the key is it tap it and try to come back up here, or does it just fall through? And if it falls through, you know the target's down here at 31 cents. The Doge got rejected again up here by this white line, and now it's coming down. And Doge, if you don't get supported into this little local supply zone, you're going to come all the way down to 4.5 cents, and that looks like maybe that's where you're headed. And the old XRP got rejected again, up about the 200-day moving average. Now we're trying to bounce off that white support zone, but to me, you're going to get rejected by the 200-day again, and you're going to trade back down into this white area. And that's what I'm watching out for. This is just a quick update. I got a mass payroll catastrophe to fix. We're going to get into some breaking news later on. I have a Commodities Monday, episode 3 out. We're going to get back into that. We got some exciting things and there's going to be another members-only video on Commodity Mondays today. It'll be released a little bit later on this afternoon and this evening. And then we're going to be working on our fiscal and monetary policy Friday. As we got into some really nice, good stuff a couple of months ago, and I kind of got off track. But we're going to get back into that, and I'll play snippets of it for everybody to show you what we're doing over there at Members Only.